I need you to keep talking.
Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's in the orange building?
Talk about it in the tutorial time style, okay? I got this. I'll be watching.
You killed me.
Okay, everybody. This is called Bowman. It's a game where you have to kill people and you can kill your own teammates.
Yep.
And I just got killed.
And I am back.
Which I do not like that.
And this is my friend. And this is my friend Cameron's video.
Right now I'm doing a tutorial video. And I'm coming.
In that case. Why?
And I just died again.
Right here.
And now I'm just coming to my friend right here, and I just trying to kill someone.
Me inside this building right
Kill
here.
someone.
You remember right here.
Okay, that's the objective, to kill someone.
He can still see your screen, you know?
Oh, shoot.
Just come into this orange building. This is a sign of where I am. See? If you see arrows, that's me.
Okay. And also you could give signals out by jumping or shooting or just shooting arrows. Keep on shooting arrows. And now I just killed one of my friends that has kept on killing me. Finally I have revenge. And I found another person to kill.
I'm out.
Dang it, and I killed some. And I died.
Oh, dang it. Shoot, dang it.
But also you could just get in this building and hide.
I'm on the top. So I'll be on this floor right. I'll be
Okay,
right
I'm not going there.
Ah! Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to. Sorry. I mean, they should really add.
Holy God! Found someone,
right?
killed someone.
Right. Oh, hey,
Now you can kill
where are
everybody.
you?
You can kill
No,
everybody.
don't, please.
You can.
Do not. Ah! Oh no.
Now I'm gonna go into blue territory and see if I
Oh,
see it.
I'm sorry. I thought you were sorry. I'm so sorry. I think you're. Oh. Ah!
Oh Jesus!
No.
Jesus! Oh, and also
Jump
people
in
will
here.
sneak attack on you,
Okay.
and they also will look at your screens to find you.
All right. Come.
And I just died
Hey, come
again.
into this part of the building. All right.
Okay.
Hey, dude. Come into this part.
Ah!
Come into this part right here.
Wait, I think I just found
Hey,
someone.
Cameron.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I got my own places.
Hey, Cameron.
Okay, I just found someone, and it's amazing.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
And I
Please
know
don't
where they
shoot me.
are. I know
Please
where
do
they
not
are. And
shoot.
they're very close.
Phew.
Did someone in the orange building thing almost kill you?
They saw me, but they didn't kill me. They
That
jumped
was
out.
me.
They jumped out of a window.
That was me.
Oh, sorry.
I saw you and I'm like, oh wait, we have a truce. So
Oh shoot! Someone spotted me. Dang it! And I died.
Fremont didn't
Friends left.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Ew.
I mean, I was going to like.
Jumped out of the house. You can jump out of the house. You can't ride this airplane.
So that was me.
By the way, if you
Hello. Hello, person that just jumped through the window.
That was me.
And hello,
Oh, I
other
found you.
person.
okay,
Why are there three?
and also you can meet other people, and you can
Why would
also.
you do that?
I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. I just need
All right,
some.
are you back?
Yeah, I'm back. Okay,
No, are you back right now?
like
No, please
yeah.
don't shoot. Do not shoot.
Okay, I'm at
Everyone's
I'm
done.
at,
Oh,
I'm at this
hello.
red territory house. But don't.
Hello. Hello there.
I'm jumping. Who's jumping?
Okay, and also
Anybody in the house?
you can find a couple of places to hide
Did
and
I shoot
some
you or
places
not?
that you can die.
No, don't. Please do.
Oh shoot! I just spotted someone. Now,
Yeah.
when you find someone, you have to be quiet.
Oh.
Oh shoot! Now, and you have to stay steady.
I see you. Where are you?
Hello.
Let's go!
Do you see someone?
I killed you.
Yes, I see
Let's
you.
go,
I'm
man.
jumping.
That was such a far shot. That was the farthest shot I've done.
Who?
Who
I
that?
think someone's shooting.
Who that?
Oh shoot! And I found someone. And
Come on! Someone just killed me.
Don't worry, I got revenge.
You?
okay.
Don't worry, I got revenge.
Okay, now I'm gonna go somewhere that is a very helpful place to me.
Did this person
So you can find,
kill me?
like I was saying, you can find other places that you can hide
No,
to
I'm
help
Fremont
you.
Ninja too.
I'm going.
And if you would like to play this game, it's called Bowman 2. Right now, I'm just trying to find the place. Here.
It's him. It's the guy in the blue shirt. Not Cameron.
Hello.
Hello. Ew. How are you?
Are you Fremont Ninja too?
Yes.
Oh Jesus! No, I'm Fremont Ninja 2.
Okay.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
No, you're not. I'm serious.
Oh, maybe I'm
Who is
Duke.
Fremont Ninja
Duke-
too?
I am. I'm serious.
Okay, I will leave you alone. Maybe. Should I leave him alone or should I go?
I think you should kill him.
I know he's in the orange building. I know he's in the orange building.
Okay, I got a good place to kill someone,
Hello.
and I found someone. Hey, is that you? No, it's not.
No,
you.
it's not.
Good job, Karen.
Hello.
Where is the
Oh shoot! Someone's on the building. Gotta kill him. Gotta kill him. Gotta kill him.
Why are there arrows? Why are you shooting arrows?
I found someone, and they spotted me.
Oh, no, get him. This should take care of him.
Oh shoot! No! This was a bad idea.
Oh, wait.
Oh jeez. Dang it! I died.
is that guy?
And also, you may receive some weird stuff.
Someone here. Whew. Oh, sorry.
Did somebody just
Oh,
die?
I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to.
Okay, now I will go and try to kill
We're
someone.
gonna wrap up the video.
Where are you?
Okay.
All right, just say
I'm gonna
bye.
end it.
Just say bye.
You don't have to do
Ew.
it. Just go press. press
Who that?
stop-
Who that? Who
Press
that?
stop streaming.
Wait, where?
Go.
I want
He got
you.